Hi there, my name is Rachel. I'm a format expert and a visual artist. This video is going to quickly show you how to set up a submenu. To get started, head to your Pages editor in the left-hand toolbar. Next, all you need to do is go to the Create button in the top left corner. Scroll down to Submenu in your left-hand column. From here, you need to give your submenu a title. I'm going to call mine Italy. And press Save. You'll see your submenu show up in your in-menu area on the left-hand toolbar. Here. As you can see, I have 3 other pages called Venice, Naples, and Florence, which are floating in my site menu, and it looks a bit unsightly. What I'm going to do is just quickly drag and drop these underneath my new submenu title and organize them in the order that I like. Now they can be reached by hovering over the submenu title, and I can navigate to them by clicking upon them. Super easy. If you have any questions about this or anything else, let me know. You can reach out to us through the chat icon in the bottom right-hand corner anytime by starting a new conversation, or you can reach out to us at info@format.com. Have a great day.